food service and retail businesses in Singapore operate in a highly competitive and challenging environment. High inflation and chronic labor shortages erode profit margins and dampen growth. Logistics operations need to be both efficient and effective to keep the outlet supplied and avoid revenue loss due to stockouts. At Logistics Avenue, we take care of your logistics, so you don't have to. We understand how challenging it can be to manage delivery personnel. That's why we do it for you, so that you can focus on more important matters, such as procurement, operations and marketing. For food service clients, we collect supplies, ingredients, and ready-to-consume food items from the central kitchen and distribute them to the retail outlets. We also provide home delivery services to support their catering business. For retail clients, we help to replenish retail outlets with merchandise collected from their central warehouse. For bulky items, we provide home delivery and installation services. We also provide set-up and set-down logistics services when our retail clients run road shows. These are some of our key clients in the food service and retail industries. Logistics should be an enabler for your business, not a hindrance. If you run a food service or retail chain business and your logistics operation is less than optimized, talk to us today.